everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Bree and today we're going to do some planting. We're going to plant some flowers and I have here my tools and the things that I need for planting. And so I have my pots, different pots to choose from, and I have my compost. It's a multi-purpose compost, and also I have my gloves, and I have my tools, and last but not the least, don't forget your seeds. So I have this packet of 2 Lilium Oriental mixed seeds here. So let's get started. So I have to do it here inside the house because the weather outside is a bit local at the moment. We have sunny and rainy, though it's still winter. So I think I will use this pot here. And I'm not sure if my compost is enough because I've already used them. Let me just put my gloves on. Then we'll pour the compost in the pot. I have more in here, but I don't think this is enough. And we'll open a packet. I will be able to put this tea. They're getting really dry. They need to be planted now. And by the way, I don't know if I have green thumb or not, but I tried planting before and it survived. No, it lived. So yeah, I think I can plant. Alrighty, so my seeds are already planted in the pot. So we will have to give them some water now. Put just enough water for them to have something to drink, and make sure not to over water them so they won't drown. Yeah, I think that's it. Alrighty, I'll show you how it looks like. So that's how they look like now. Okay, so I think I'm not going to put them outside for now because the weather is crazy. So I'm gonna put them by the window where it's a little bit sunny, and okie dokie, see you in a bit. So we're going to bring the pots now. Here they are. Don't worry, there are just small pots, so I I can carry them with just one hand. Let's open the window. And here we'll just put kitchen paper there. So there you go. Please grow beautifully, lilies. Yeah, you need to talk to your plants, and that's very effective. There you go. So I've already planted my Lilium bulbs at last. I got them the other day, and I should have planted them, but I always come home late from work, so I didn't have time to do that. And now it's the perfect day. It's Saturday and I don't have work, so I think it's the best time to do some planting. And I already have some plants planted, and they're outside the house, and I'm just waiting for the other one to grow. And I have a chili plant outside as well. Okay, I'm going to show you the ones outside. Oops. So this is my chili. This is my chili plant. You can see it's so windy. And oh no, I think it's dying. Hopefully not. Oh dear. And this one, so flowers, we bought it like this in the pot already, and that's the anemone blanda, so I'm just waiting for that to grow. Oh no, my dear chili, I hope you will live and survive, otherwise I'll be very, very sad. So there you go, those are my plants. So bye for now, and hope to see you soon. Bye! Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn your notification bells on. Bye!